when setting up an e-commerce website, once you have your products with all their prices and the categories all set up, there's a couple more things you might want to consider when getting your website ready to go. These things are setting up your GST or tax number, setting up some freight rules, and also setting up a payment gateway. So we're just going to go through each of these options and run a test order on our example website. Within our website here we have our shopping page, some example categories, and also the products within it. So what we want to do is set up our tax or add our GST number, and we do this by going to shopping and currency and tax settings. You'll see here we have the ability to add our GST or tax number, specify the tax rate, and also how it is displayed, whether it's including or excluding for each of your products. The next thing, once we've added our tax number, that we might want to do is add some freight rules, and you can do this via the tabs here, the shortcut tabs. There is a freight option, but also via shopping, shipping and freight. I've already set up a couple of options here, example options, one for Auckland and one for all of the rest of New Zealand. And you can see that there are various options in here. I've just done a minimum fee per order, but you could set a base fee, per unit fee, weight-based shipping, and a whole lot of other options. But the freight tab is the place to do that. The other thing that we want to set up is a payment gateway, which you can also use the grey tabs and go to payment, or go via shopping and payment options. There are a whole host of different options available from merchant accounts and other third-party services. So we can also add pay by pickup or invoice. Here, if you want to get a good overview of what each of the options are, you can click on our main website and go to the pricing and payment gateway pricing, and this gives a quick overview of some of the prices and things involved. Note, these may be out of date. We don't keep up to date with what each person's are, so just keep that in mind. You'll have to go to each website and sign up there rather than doing it through us. We don't provide any assistance with that, but once you have your payment gateway set up, or your account set up with them, it's pretty easy just to connect it to the website. So within this, I've already set up pickup, which doesn't require a payment gateway, but if, for example, we use PayPal, I'll click on the PayPal standard, and all you have to do here is enter your email address once you've signed up, and also set up another couple of steps, which is also listed, and that is pretty much it. It's that simple to get a payment gateway up and running. So I'll just run a quick test transaction on our example website. Here we are with our example category. I'm just going to buy one of these products. We have our freight available, so I can choose, for example, Auckland. Here we go, freight's been added. It's always a good idea to run some transactions and make sure everything is working and that you understand how it all works before you go live and start taking orders from real customers. You are able to actually run through all the process of making an order, including payment gateways, if you've set them up without having your website live, so you can get it just as you want before you go live. So let's just add this. Okay, so we've got a payment on pickup option here. So we'll submit that order. The order will go to both the person ordering and also to our email address. And we can also check the orders via shopping view orders. And you'll see here is our test order with all the relevant information within the system.